Students, in this lecture, we are going to discuss the mode of action of sodium channel blockers in the angina, or the use of sodium channel blockers in angina. The most commonly discussed drug in angina regarding the calcium channel blockers is the ranolazine. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss the action of ranolazine. Now, just before going into the mode of action, just I want to summarize that this is the drug which inhibits the late phase of the sodium current, that is abbreviated as INA, where I is basically capital I is indicating the current, sodium current, late sodium current. Due to this, what will happen? There will be the improved oxygen demand. There will be reduction in the intracellular calcium and the sodium overload. As a result, there will be improvement of the diastolic function. Now, where is the late sodium channel functioning? The late sodium channel is functioning at the Plateau phase. This is what happens during the phase. During this late sodium current, there is the continuous inward movement of the sodium into the cardiac cells during the action potential Plateau phase. Now, we have already discussed the phase 2, that was the Plateau phase, that in this there is there is opening of the calcium channels, resulting in inward flow of the calcium, that is balancing the outward leak of the potassium ions. Now, this is the normal cycle which we discussed previously. Now, what is the site of action of the ranolazine? This is the layered sodium channel site where your calcium channel blockers will, sodium channel blockers will basically act. Normally, what was happening in ischemia, what was happening in angina, there was increased functioning of the late sodium channel. As a result, there was increased sodium overload within the cell. There was increased calcium overload, due to which there were two different mechanisms which were occurring. First was the prolonged action potential duration. Second one was the decreased contractility and the decrease in oxygen supply. Now, what your calcium channel blocker in this case, in this flow cycle will do, it will block these late sodium channels. As a result, there will be no sodium or the calcium overload. As a result, there will be relief from the angina.